Hello again. Alright, for this section we're supposed to talk about type of the textures. As you may remember, we downloaded a texture before. I know their settings are the same in all softwares. For example, we have color here, textures. In many softwares like 3D Max, they call it diffuse, or in Revit they call it generate, or in SketchUp and Inkscape they call it albedo, or in Unreal they call it base color or base texture. Generally they are the same thing but in different names. So we need a colorful textures here. As you can see, it says color. Alright, let me copy the address of this file, yes, and go to floor here, click on it, and standard, go to its settings, load map to change its texture, paste the address here, very good, open it now, yes, just like that, let it load. Now it's supposed to be changed, just like that. And you can change the texture size here, it's up to you. But I'm gonna put 1 here to be a standard. Alright, the next part is relief. This is for adjusting the bump of each textures of each part. You know, in Lumion and Revit they call it relief, and in SketchUp and 3D Max they call it bump. Alright, this bump divides to 2 ways, which the number 1 is you are using the black-white pictures, and number 2 is normal map here, which has a higher quality compared to the black-white pictures. Alright, now if I'm gonna make this texture more real, I should do it in relief part. So let me go to this part, relief, yes, and after that let me open this normal map, very good. Let's specify the type of bump, and this file, as you can see, has 2 types, DX and GL, and one of them is outwards and the other one is inwards. Alright, I choose the first one, GL. Alright, as you can see, it is more real, it has reflection, besides it has bump now, it's a special structure. Okay, let me rotate the camera here to show it to you better. Yes, now let me click on OK and save it here, save the process. Since I want to change the weather, I want the sun to give the light to this floor, to this texture, so that I'm able to explain the reflectivity to you next. Okay, now let's get to the weather. Alright, now change it here. Very good. Yes, that's it. So good. Yes, it is okay. Well done. Let me choose another sky to have less cloud. Yes, very good. A little more. Yes. So good. Alright, let's get back to materials again and click on this wood. Now, as you can see, we gave its picture here. Now we are able to adjust its bulging. See, just like that. Now I'm gonna change this one to DX. Let it load. Now the direction of bump is changed, just like that. See here. Okay, now let's change it again to GL. Yes, very good. Let it load. You can adjust it again here, the amount of bulging, just like that. Well, for roughness, for the next part, if you change it, it specifies the amount of reflectivity actually. See, you could have it like a mirror or it would be opaque. It's up to you. Well, you can adjust the roughness here with this slider, or you're able to upload the picture as a roughness here. See? According to the amount of density of the black and white, you're able to adjust the reflectivity. Alright, so let me click on what happened. Okay, let me click on the floor again. Very good. Here, click on this one. Come on. Okay, click on this one, and okay, this one. This time, the black and white colors specify the amount of reflectivity. Now the picture specifies that if it would be opaque or transparent, just like that. Okay, just like that. You want it to be more transparent or more opaque. It's up to you by adjusting the roughness. Alright, let me save the process that we've been through so far. Very good. So click on OK here. Yes, save changes. And let it save. As you can see, we have not the reflection of these elements on the floor. I'm supposed to explain it why.